Oh boy, we're back home. I haven't picked up.
Home. You left me.
I haven't picked up the camera in like a week, so this is definitely different. How do you do this vlogging stuff again? What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. Got BLUCIFER back in Virginia, all boosted, and it's been over a week now. When I was in Florida, I actually had a ton of content. And is there a smudge in this lens? You obviously know we installed the VMP Gen 3R on the car, got it all buttoned up and stuff. I don't know when you're watching this video. Still have videos. Filming right now, still have videos I have to get out. This is actually the first vlog I'm filming in Richmond with the car now, which is really crazy, because like I said, I've been here for a hot minute. Got Romina here today. We're actually gonna head over to the Mirandas, so I'm gonna load the car up. The car does need to be cleaned. Probably like you're out of your mind because I'm looking at it through this camera right now and it looks incredible, but there's a lot of water spots on it because we got caught in the rain and things like that. So I don't want to make this any longer than it needs to be. Romina, you excited to feel the car?
I'm excited.
Yeah?
I'm scared though.
Why? Before we actually hop into today's video, guys, we do have a video sponsor. And today's video sponsor is going to be Harry's. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to ask, do you ever find yourself overpaying for razors and razor replacements? I mean, I know I did, especially when it came to, you know, shaving this full beard right here. On a serious note though, guys, even though I do have, you know, this little peach fuzz going on, I still have to shave it so I don't look like a goof. And that is exactly why I switched to Harry's. Every man deserves a quality craftsmanship, simple design, modern convenience, and a great shave. Harry's founders Jeff and Andy were actually sick of overpaying for over-designed razors, and they realized they weren't alone. So what was their answer? Start Harry's, raise a bunch of money, and buy a razor factory in Germany. Yes, they did that. Nowadays, they help millions of men and women shave on a premium with hassle-free. It was actually really cool because I was using their products for some time now because I just love how simple and how easy these things are, and not to mention the replacement blades are extremely cheap. You will not regret using Harry's for your day-to-day use when it comes to shaving. Other razor blades are poor quality, but Harry's guarantees a nice, close, comfortable, and smooth shave, or you get 100% of your money back guaranteed. Not to mention, refills are delivered straight to your door on your schedule, so you don't have to go to the drugstore anymore and wait in line. Honestly, the deal Harry's currently running on their trial set is absolutely amazing. You'll get everything for a close, comfortable shave, and you'll be supporting my channel while signing up. Make sure you guys go to the link in the description and redeem your trial set for only $3. And of course, that's when you go to harrys.com/Derek Barron. Hope you guys go check it out, and I just want to thank Harry's for sponsoring today's video. I'm like vlog, you're like finagling the camera like this, like, huh? How do you do this? Heat exchanger fans located. You know the startups? It doesn't. Wow!
It's loud.
What'd you guys say when you passed? I didn't hear you. But yeah, this stock clutch is not having it at all. So we just rolled up to the Miranda's house, got BLUCIFER here all cleaned up. Just had a mini heart attack because I got out of the car and where I parked cast a shadow on this rear quarter panel here, and I thought this was a huge dent. You can probably see from the video, it looks like it's not supposed to be there, and if you come on this side, due to the sun shining straight on it, you can't see that shadow, and I about lost my mind, didn't I?
He went Hulk mode, he said.
Well, yeah, anyway, I have no idea how your stock clutch has lasted you this long. The amount of clutch dumps you have done in your car.
It's still there.
I got the goods.
Oh yeah, I do have Boostain at home for you. I forgot that, but this is from Boostain, guys. Joel uses it in his Whipple charged. I use it in the VMP charged Coyotes. So you got a shirt there and a hat. Why do you look like a sailor? So how's the car going?
Slow, mad.
Mad? Why are you so upset?
Cause you're a bitch.
Why?
You got boost and now left me.
Why don't you tell them exactly what happened?
Bro, I got the Corsa
Oh,
out.
goddamn.
JLT. I got an 18 manifold upstairs with a tuner. I was ready to come get your shit. And then you got boost. Now I'm gonna fucking throw my car off the cliff.
Oh, what do we have here? What's going on, man? How you doing? Derek, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice car you got here. Well, I'm glad you can make it out, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Super clean. So you brought a little something, huh?
Even got the directions in.
Got some red lines, man. I do appreciate it, bro, honestly. Brought some red line hood struts. And Joel, do you have those Ford Performance ones? Do you know where they're at? So we did install the Ford Performance hood struts, and everybody was getting on us because we uninstalled them. And it's because whenever we shut the hood with those installed, they were like, it was like propping up the hood like maybe half an inch or so, and it looked terrible. Harry here brought us some redline hood struts for the car, and do appreciate it, man. Thank you. And you know, we're gonna go ahead and install these as soon as we're done working on this little project. I'm excited because now I can, you know, show off the blower without having the freaking hood prop. All right, guys, what's going on? So we are picking this vlog up about 3 days later, and today we do have a little something that we're gonna address. And many of you have been coming at my neck for these freaking hood struts that we installed about 2 weeks ago. They were the Ford Performance hood struts. There's a reason why we took them off the car. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys and explain to you. Unfortunately, you know, these were brand new, but it's kind of this piece right here that wasn't working. Tell you what though, I'll take hot weather like this. Like it's gorgeous out, a little warm, but it's not raining or anything, so I'll take that all day. That was like a sauna in there. I think I just burned about 400 calories. A subscriber of mine actually sent me the Ford Performance hood struts, and I was super excited just because, you know, it just gives the car a much more of a quality look when you don't have to have this hood prop. But what was happening is, so the problem we were having is with these brackets, obviously this isn't, I don't think this is the correct, actually it is the correct size. So what you would do is you would loosen these hood bolts, and this would slide underneath the bolts, and then you would tighten it down, and then it would connect from here to there. The problem it was having is when we would shut the hood, since this is like yay big, it was actually propping the hood above the fender. If you ran your hand across with the hood shut, it'd be like this far off the fender, and no, not having that. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what we're working with. That's very interesting packaging. It's like almost like a poster.
It looks like anchor room kind of packaging.
Yeah, as you can see, redline tuning. So quick comparison, here are the Ford ones, and you can tell how much shorter they are. You are gonna need a 13mm deep socket, obviously with a ratchet. We can go ahead and set that aside though. So we are gonna start off with these first little brackets. You're not gonna take these off because these are just gonna feed in this hole that's not being utilized. So you're gonna pull down, give it some pressure, and start twisting, and that's tight. So that's when you're just gonna take your 13mm, tighten it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. And that is snug, and that's not going anywhere. I'm gonna apply this one to the other side as well, and then we'll start with step 2.
You want to squish your hood.
All right, that one's nice and snug. Might be like an 8mm or so for the fender, and then we're gonna put the bracket on there, and then we're gonna feed shock assembly itself. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Don't drop it in your engine bay. Nice and flush with the fender. You know, give it a good old tighten, because this is gonna be your fender bolt. There you go. We'll get a new battery. We're gonna go ahead and have Joel just lift the hood a little bit, and we're gonna put the big side on the top. That's snapped. And now you're gonna feed this in. And that should be it. Go ahead and pull it down, Joel. Nice and smooth. Push. This side seems good. How about that side? Much better than the Ford ones?
Yeah. No bow.
Go ahead and try and pop it real quick, Brandon. All right, Joel, now that we got it installed, we have one last thing to do. Brandon, pop it open. Show him that wizardness real quick. Bam! I would just like to add to the collection, if you don't mind.
There you go. We'll have some sword fighting going on, I guess.
I have to say, these red lines are definitely very nice. I'm so glad we got rid of that thing. Well, there you have it, guys. We have hood struts back on the car, and it feels good. It feels good to be able to use them and, you know, not have to use that hood prop anymore. So, Harry, if you're watching, thank you again, man. Ladies and gentlemen, these aren't coming off this time, so I don't want to take any photos, and you guys comment down below where the hood struts go and stuff. They're on the car, and we're good to go.
Now let's see that beautiful VMP under here without a big rod in the way.
Pull the car out. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you drop your boy a thumbs up on this video. And we have some more modifications coming to the car, some huge transformations coming. And I'm just so excited. Mustang week countdown has begun. I know Brandon's ready. He just got that tune money. He's putting long tubes on, 18 manifold, some other goodies. So other than that, guys, we will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. And thank you again. But until next time, we'll see you later.